of the village where the fires glow bright, a blacksmith toils through the day and the night, with hammer in hand and anvil so strong. He sings to the rhythm a heartfelt song. Under the weight of the hammer's fall, he forges love, the greatest of all. With sparks that fly and embers that gleam, he shapes his dreams in the forge's steam. His hands are calloused, his brow lined with sweat, yet his heart beats true with no regret. For in the fire's dance he finds his grace. Polishing his anvil, he sees her face. Under the weight of the hammer's fall, he forges love, the greatest of all. With sparks that fly and embers that gleam, he shapes his dreams in the forge's steam. Folk whisper of his skill and might, but it's her love that gives him light. In every strike, in every spark, he crafts the future from dawn till dark. Under the weight of the hammer's fall, he forges love, the greatest of all. With sparks that fly and embers that gleam, he shapes his dreams in the forge's steam. So sing, O blacksmith, let your hearts be known. In the forge's fire, love has grown. For in the heat and under pressure's coal, you forged a love, the strongest of all. Under the weight of the hammer's fall, he forges love, the greatest of all. With sparks that fly and embers that gleam, he shapes his dreams in the forge's steam.